Ciao Mundo, hello world, hola mundo, hello mon. We're here today in Washington, D.C. at the Georgetown University Hospital taking a cappuccino with Professor George Bakris that doesn't need any introduction, but we're here together for a cardio-renal meeting called CVCT. So George, what is this meeting about?
Claudio, this meeting is going on now almost 3 decades. It's putting together clinical trialists, young future clinical trialists, and discussing all the details of clinical trials from A to Z. The upcoming trials that have happened, good news, bad news, problems with the trials, and what is really needed. And it's not just clinical trialists talking to clinical trialists. They bring in lay people, they bring in a number of people that recruit for clinical trials. Industry is here, pharma's here, NIH is here. So it's really an integrated, complete process. And the good news is it's a small meeting. It does not have the problems with AHA and all the other major meetings where you can't really talk to anybody. Here's a beautiful example here. We're talking right now. It really allows people not only to network, but to understand real details and limitations of clinical trials, as well as the good news about clinical trials, and where are we going, what is needed, and how can we do it in a more efficient and positive way.
What do you think are the 2 most exciting trials going on?
Wow. Well, as a nephrologist, I think the 2 most exciting trials going on are the Fidelio trial and Figaro is a cardiovascular trial, its partner, and the Credence trial, because these trials are absolutely powered and may bring us real new insights into new classes of medication and progression of kidney disease, which we really haven't had in a while. We already have the EMPA-REG data, but these trials are more appropriately powered, and I think they're exciting. In the cardiovascular field, obviously the trials with the PCSK9s are really important. And so I think it's a new era. We're entering new mechanisms that are being tested, and the already improved cardiovascular outcomes are probably going to be more improved.
What do you think about the lecture yesterday of Eugene Brownwell, a father of this area, that said we can probably abolish coronary artery disease?
Well, I thought that was actually, I was going to say provocative, but it wasn't provocative at all, because he made a couple of major points. Atherosclerosis starts when you're young. It doesn't start when you're 60. And with these new classes of medicine, especially the one he was talking about where you can give it once a year, if you start at age 30, you'll have a dramatic impact on the natural history of atherosclerosis. And so there's no question that I would agree with him wholeheartedly.
He mentioned that it could be given the day you do the flu shot. Exactly, that's fantastic. So thank you very much for joining today, Cappuccino. We are going to drink our cappuccino together. Excellent.
Absolutely.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you.